We are in Nepal at Lumbini. Let's see the place. Here you see the temple of China, and here you see many other spectators who have come here to visit this place. And you see the temple, you will find it's a very grand temple. We are in the temple of China in Lumbini. You see the temple and the statue of Lord Buddha, and you see the grand temple. It is from inner side. You see some of the people sitting here, and they are worshipping, and it's a fine moment here. This is a beautiful statue of Lord Buddha from inner side. You can see the beauty of it, and you can enjoy it. It's in Lumbini in Nepal, the outer place of China's temple. Here you see the people and the temple from outside. Here you see the beautiful temples, and these are the houses where the priests live here and they worship. And you also the beauty. It's every very. You see a statue. He might be the important person of China. You see the grand statue of sons. They might be from China, and they are using some instrument. And here a sword you can see in the hand. This side you also can see some of the statues that is very grand, and they have something here. You can see laughing Buddha. It's a grand statue. You can enjoy it, guys. You see very carefully. It's very amazing. Guys, you see here a statue. It's very fine, but he might be from China. His name is Ben Huan. 1907 and 2012 it was constructed. But let's go ahead and see the other things here. Everything is amazing and beautiful. Okay, guys, here you can see the elephant, huge elephant. It's it is the sign of Lord Buddha's birth. You can see the elephant in Light of Asia. We have read about the elephant. You see the people in front of the temple. It is also in front of the temple. Okay, guys, let's go. Guys, you see the atmosphere of Lumbini. It's a beautiful atmosphere. Everywhere you can see the spectators and onlookers. They have come here to visit this place. Here we are going to see some of the temples of Japan and Nepal. Here you can see many temples. Those temples are very gorgeous and huge. You can see. Okay, here a very small statue, but something has been written in Nepali language. In front you see a large temple. It's on a good height, and you see the people here wandering and enjoy the beauty of nature. In that area you also see the temples, beautiful temples, but it is in large area. We are unable to cover all the places here, but some of the places you are being seen, so enjoy it. Okay, you see the temples. Here are large temples. All around you see the temples. The people also taking their selfies. It's an enjoying moment. Everywhere is with the people in the happy mood. Okay, here some of the people are standing and enjoy the beauty. And here Behind us, there is a temple about which we are talking. The students are wandering here and they are enjoying the beautiful atmosphere of Lumbini. You know, Lumbini is in Nepal, the beautiful place, and we have come here to roam and enjoy this beauty. Here you see the small temple here, and also the students are enjoying it. The other side you see the pictures of temples, and you can enjoy it. Other side you see the statue of Lord Buddha. Okay, he is also a person. Okay, he is also a Buddhist and wandering here. Okay guys, here you see the temple. It's a beautiful temple. It has been constructed by the Germany government. Here you see a lot of people. They have come to see the place. Here in this compound, you see the beauty of nature, and also this temple is very beautiful and large. This is the water place. Here you see clean water. It is the internal place of Japan temple. Here you see the temple of Lord Buddha. This is the outer place. And you see the temples. Wherever you look, you will find the temples of Lord Buddha in Lumbini. This is the place of priests. Here people come from many countries and they enjoy the beauty of Lumbini, and they also see this place. But here we are at, this is the upper portion of Japanese temple. Here you see the beauty all around. Guys, you see the beauty here, and you see the picture of Lord Buddha. It is sleeping. It might be you see the running and moving. It's a beautiful. People come here to move it very beautifully. Guys, in Lumbini, you see the beautiful nature. You see the statue of some persons. It is related from Lord Buddha, small Lord Buddha in the beginning, but after some time he became a great personality, and the world know him as the Lord Buddha. Everywhere you see something beautiful nature, and here you see a person taking an arrow and bow. He is aiming at something. He is a picture of Lord Buddha. Guys, I am trying to move it. It is a very beautiful moment, and the people from many countries come here and move it. This is a nice moment. Guys, if you come in Lumbini, you will enjoy it. He is Siddharth sitting at horse, and perhaps he might be Channa, his guide. And you see a beautiful and a small picture, but here something strange. You have been shown 4 people taking somebody means a person who died. They are taking a corpse. It is a message for Lord Buddha. By seeing these pictures, Lord Buddha left this world and became saint and decided to help the suffering world. Here you see Lord Buddha cutting his hair because he has taken a very great decision to follow the path, great path for the welfare of human being. Guys, here you see the beautiful atmosphere of temples. It is a beautiful. Guys, whenever you visit this place, you will enjoy it. I promise you. Here you see the Lord Buddha in a very only bones are remaining in his body, but he's trying to get the knowledge. Lord, okay, guys, it's a no entry place here. People are not allowed because people. It means the people stay here and pass their night. Here you see Lord Buddha sitting under a tree and trying to meditate himself. Guys, you see Lord Buddha preaching his first five peoples. They were the first disciples of him. He started spreading the knowledge of Lord Buddha to the entire world. See Lord Buddha sitting in a very peaceful atmosphere, and here Lord Buddha is lying, and his peoples are sitting, and they have folded their hands in front of Lord Buddha. Perhaps Lord Buddha here leaving this world. What? Guys, you can see in this water the coins of India and Nepal's may be seen inside the water. It's obvious, you can see it. A picture of that